Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Guru freelancer account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and increase your credibility with potential clients. Step 1. Go to guru.com and click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your username or email and password to access your freelancer account. Step 2. After logging in, you'll see your freelancer dashboard. Look for verification prompts or notifications about completing your profile verification. Step 3. Click on your profile picture or username and select Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Navigate to the Verification or Account Verification section within your settings. Step 5. Guru offers several verification options to build trust with clients. Start with email verification by ensuring your primary email address is confirmed. Step 6. If your email isn't verified, click Resend Verification Email and check your inbox for the verification link from Guru. Step 7. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your email address. Step 8. For additional verification, consider verifying your phone number. Click on Verify Phone Number and enter your mobile phone number. Step 9. Guru will send a verification code via SMS to your phone. Enter this code in the verification field to confirm your phone number. Step 10. To further enhance your profile credibility, complete identity verification by uploading a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Step 11. Take a clear photo of your ID and upload it through the verification portal. Guru will review your submission to confirm your identity. Step 12. Consider completing payment verification by adding and confirming your payment method for receiving freelance earnings. Step 13. Wait for Guru to review your verification submissions. Once approved, verification badges will appear on your profile, making you more attractive to potential clients. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.